Welcome to Johari Fitness. I'm Johari. Do you think you can't squeeze in a little workout at the office? Think again. Try these easy exercises as a quick way to re-energize your mind and body. Let's begin with a stretch. Sitting up tall in your chair, make sure your abdominals are engaged. Inhale and lift one arm up, lengthen through the waist, then exhale to reach over to one side. Remember to keep breathing. Do the same thing on the other side. Try not to collapse, keep your waistline long, and always remember to keep breathing. Now come back to the center, re-engage your abdominals, lengthen through the waist, and arch back. Come back to the center, pull in your abs, reach down, and touch your toes. Do this stretch 2 to 4 times. Try to hold each position between 10 and 20 seconds. Remember to keep the abs engaged, the waistline long. Breathe easy, comfortable, and normal. Our next movement is squatting. This is something that you do every day without thinking about it. It's a great exercise to add to your workout because it works larger muscles like the glutes and the thighs. This can mean that you'll burn more calories in a shorter amount of time. Make sure to keep your legs about hip-width distance apart. Engage your abdominals and keep breathing. Try 12 to 15 repetitions 2 to 3 times with 30 seconds between sets. I've added an arm movement because you can also work the shoulders as well as get your heart rate up. Now let's try a few push-ups. Any table or desk can be a great tool to use. Push-ups are a great way to work the shoulders, chest, and triceps. Remember to keep your abs engaged and breathe easy and normal. Try 10 to 15 repetitions 2 to 3 times with 45 seconds between sets. Now let's work the hamstrings. Lift one leg up, bend the knee, and lift your heel high. This exercise not only works the back of the thigh, but also the standing leg. Try the first set of 10 holding on to the chair. For the second set, test your balance. You can continue working the hamstring, but you'll also challenge your standing leg more. This also works the abdominals and other stability muscles. And there's your quick workout. Remember that the recommended time for moderate exercise is 150 minutes per week. If you do not have the time for a 30 to 45-minute workout, try shorter workouts. Believe me, the time will add up. Your mind and body will thank you for it.